Since the advent of the COVID-19 pandemic, many people have started to work from home. Prior to the pandemic, many did not think that they had enough space in the home to set up a small office. And this time, we are here with some best ideas for the best small home office. And yes, if you're new to this channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell icon. Number 1. Change your living room layout. If you want to get the best in your search for the best small home office, you will need to make a few arrangements in your living room. When you arrange the living room afresh, you create the much-needed space for the workspace. Decor experts advise that placing the sofa against the longest wall in the room and putting the desk directly in front of the window is the most practical way. You open up a square footage in the center of your living room space that makes the room airy and spacious. Number 2. Choose a comfortable workstation. Spending the whole day seated is not good for your health. You will need to choose a comfortable workstation to ensure that you do not spend the whole day squatting on your desk. You will need to search for the best workspace ideas on Pinterest and other home office ideas websites to achieve this. Your ultimate goal is to have a desk setup that is comfortable, modern, and stylish. You will not need to use a lot of expensive wood to achieve this. As a matter of fact, you can use recycled wood in shelf brackets to turn an unused wall into a modern desk that you can use while standing and at the same time while seated on a high chair. Number 3. Turn your closet into a home office. If you lack enough space to place an office desk and have a closet that you are not using, you can easily transform it into a small home office. You will need to be creative with your space and choose a narrow, low-profile desk. Also, you will need to choose the best colors for the closet to transform it into an illuminating workspace. The best colors for your workspace are bright colors, like orange, since it is a bright one. The most amazing thing about turning your closet into an office is the fact that when you stop using it, you will just close it and continue using it for its original purpose. Number 4. Create a clever office nook by maximizing on your unused space. If you have an unused space that can be converted into a small home office, do not be afraid to make use of it. You need to customize the space to look good to you and place your desk. For the table, you might need to make a DIY shelf. This idea works pretty well for small corners in your living room or other rooms. The only thing you have to do is make sure that the space is well ventilated and lit. Number 5. Using small space furniture for your home office. Bulky furniture makes a tiny room feel a bit cluttered. Therefore, it is advisable to make sure that you use tiny but comfortable furniture to avoid eating into a lot of space. The end result will be a neat place that looks classy and not cluttered at all. Number 6. Using wall-mounted furniture for your small home office needs. Your home office will utilize wall-mounted shelves to act as the desk space or writing table. When you use wall-mounted shelves, you can take full advantage of small spaces and turn them into productive home office spaces. Your wall-mounted small home office should be in a well-lit and ventilated area for your optimum performance. Number 7. Using a room divider curtain as your home office. If you are a creative mind, you will use every available space in your home to get a working space. You can easily carve out a nook for your home office using curtains and achieve an aerated space and a colorful one. When closed, the curtain acts as the wall and separates the living room from the home office. If you decide to stick with this method, you should be careful not to use dull colors on the curtains, since they will not properly light your small home office. Your curtain color choice should be able to light not just the work area, but the living space to an extent. Number 8. Make a family home office in the hallway. As this video insists, you must be creative when thinking and ultimately designing your small home office. This one happens to be among the best small home ideas that every homeowner can take advantage of and achieve the best looking home office. To have a functioning home office in the hallway, you need to take advantage of any unused space and optimize it. You will find the most appropriate spot to place your working desk and chair using your creativity. Well, that's all we have for you today. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so you can receive more content like this every week. Make sure to comment and let us know. Also, if you have any other recommendations or have any feedback, let me know. I would be happy to check it out. Till then, stay tuned.